Windows Server 2022. Welcome back everybody. I'm Prakash Pradhan, your trainer for this entire series. So in this video, we're going to see how to change the server computer name. Of course, it's not suggested, especially if you have installed any application that has to do something with your domain controller's computer's name, especially if the CA is installed in your DC itself. But still, sometimes we come across certain unavoidable circumstances that where you'll have to change the name of your server computer name itself. Though it's not suggested, but as I said already, but sometimes we come across certain situations, certain needs, certain scenario that administrator must be able to change the name of your server computer name itself. So let's see now how to do that. Okay, so this is my server, okay, where the domain is already installed. As you can see, it's a same operating system that we are using throughout this entire training. So if I go to my DNS, okay, just I would like to show you that this is Active Directory integrated DNS zone. Entire things are here. Okay, now if I have to see the name of my computer over here, the server computer name, let's see the system.cpl is a shortcut, so I have typed already over there. Now if you see the name of my computer over here, of course it's a domain, so that's why it's trying to tell you, see, domain controller cannot be moved from one domain to the another. They must first be demoved. Of course we're not going to do that. Now if I see the name of my computer itself is a new. Now if you say that I would like to change this computer name due to any reason, so that it has to be get changed. Now in order to do that, let's go to the PowerShell and we're going to perform this kind of task actually from the PowerShell itself. So let's start now. netdom, okay, computer name. Then what is the name of your current computer? New. Okay, that is the name. Now we are going to give fully qualified domain name. Okay, testing.com. Okay, now this is the fully qualified domain name that I am having currently. Now I'd like to add a new one, new computer name. Okay, so let's say the name of that computer, let's give server only. Okay, now testing.com is my domain. Now alternate name, it's been added already. Okay, now what we need to do now, after changing this name, we'll have to make sure that this name is used as a primary name actually. Okay, so in order to change this computer name, even after changing a name, still we'll have to provide a command saying that now change this new computer name as a primary one. So that's why we're going to use the command over here. So let's not waste the time. Okay, netdom computer name, of course this is a computer name. Now we are going to give the old computer name, okay, testing.com, and then we are going to say that make primary to whom the new computer name, server.testing.com. so this line indicates over here that computer name was the new, my previous or the old computer name was new, and the domain is this. That means fully qualified domain name is this. Now what we want to do over here, make primary to this new fully qualified domain name. Okay, now hit enter. So after that the system need to be restarted. After we restart, we'll have to hit one more command, okay, saying that you need to remove your old computer name actually. So it's saying now syntax is showing some sort of error, so let's go through that. netdom computer name, our computer name was new.testing.com. okay, that was the old computer name. Okay, and then we have to say that make primary, spelling was messed up, make primary to the this server name. See, this computer name will be now primary, so that's why. Okay, so enter it. It's okay, sometimes it happens. Now it's going to run the script and then it's going to change the name of this computer itself, and of course as I said, it has to be restarted. Now it's running this command, so wait for a few seconds. Okay, now successfully made change. Now this command completed successfully. Now you'll have to restart it once. So I'm going to restart, giving a 0 second over here. So now I'm going to pause the video and then we'll meet after the system has been restarted. Okay, welcome back. Now as you can see, the server has been restarted after changing the name of your domain, this computer's name. Now let's try to make sure that whether your server name or this computer name of this server is been changed or not. So let's try that. As you can see, the name is already changed, but there is one more thing left to be done. As I told you last time, that after we change the name of your server, computer's name, of course it's not a name of server, we have changed successfully, we have changed the name of the computer where the server is promoted actually. Now over here, the last work that is to be done is that your older name that still exists over here, it has to be removed completely from its memory. So that's why now for that command as well, we'll have to come to the PowerShell and hit the command saying that remove that computer's name permanently, because we are going to use the new computer name as a server that's been already shown in your command prompt. Okay, now of course we are going to use the older one. I don't want to go for the update because we're in a lab scenario, and I don't think in a lab scenario we are going to need something new over here for this PowerShell. So let it come over here. Initial configuration test is still being loaded, so that's why even this PowerShell is taking time. Okay, you should all know that before the ICT is loaded, your computer will not allow you to do anything. So now let's hit the command saying that remove your older computer name. netdom computer name, okay, server.testing.com, it's our new computer name, and we'll have to show that remove our old computer name, new.testing.com. Now it's done. So it's saying that successfully remove new.testing.com. So let's try to make sure whether it's deleted or not. Even from the server manager also you can test it. Okay, so let's go over here, let's go to local server. See, computer name is server. Okay, now let's go to the tools and let's try to see in your Active Directory users and computers as well. So let's have a look on this, and over here also it should show that your server computer name is successfully changed and the name of that computer is server itself. Let's go to computers. This is the client and your server is over here, domain controller. See, successfully it's done. That means we have successfully obtained our objective for changing the name of your server computer. So I hope it was easy, and I try to make it as shorter as I can. So if you like it, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.